Alright guys, we have a new sponsor and we have new car parts. Velossa Tech, they were nice enough to send us a Big Mouth. So we're going to put this on the Focus ST. You can see it's a golden color, that's the way I had it printed. Whenever you get on their site, you can have it printed any color you want. The top actual tube piece and then the mouth. They have a huge variety of color choices, but let's go throw this on the car. Alright, so the intake goes and connects to the actual intake to the air box right here. So it'll sit behind the grill and underneath this little splash shield. This little shield does not come off the bumper. So what we're gonna have to do is take the entire bumper off, and that process includes taking the headlights out. It's quite a bit of work, but it's to get these awesome parts in the car. So let's get to it.
Alright, so what's next?
Next we have to detach the bumper from the bottom because the headlights are out on top. There's probably 5 or 6 screws that go top or across the top of here. And then once you get the headlights out, you can take these bolts out and then the bumper should slide forward. But that's after everything's unattached. So still a lot more to remove. I know this looks bad, but the headlights come out easy. They're 2 bolts. And then just one plug in the back. Just set them somewhere like where they won't fall, because these headlights are very, very pricey. And if you drop a $1,000 headlight while putting on a $200 part, you might be pretty pissed at yourself. All right. So in order to get the bumper off, we also have to take these little side panels off, and to get access to the bolts that hold these on, there's like a pinch between here and the actual fender. You have to take the inner fender liner out and get in between here, loosen the 2 10mm nuts up and pull this out. So now we gotta do that to the other side, and then we should be able to pop the whole bumper off. This side's so much tighter than the other side.
You almost done with that?
Yeah, not even close. No. Negative, Captain. Fuck. Ow. Let go. Ow.
I'm glad I caught that on camera.
Alright, so we're getting the latch out of here now. That way we can remove the bumper the whole way. So there's the latch. Once you do this, don't close the hood. Because if you close the hood, you have no way of getting it unlatched again. So now that that's off, this bumper should technically just pull off. And there's one more plug down here for the fog lights. Just go ahead and disconnect that. And if your car has the AGS, that might go there. Not sure, I took the AGS system off mine. So, set this aside. Well, actually, I know a really good place for this. Follow me. Oops.
Oh, there we go. Much better.
Look how much better that car looks like. If you get a good low angle on that. Oh yeah.
Can't tell the difference.
Alright. That's probably all muddy.
Yeah, probably.
Alright, so you guys missed this last time because I didn't record a video of it. But we now have a Depot 5.5 inch Beast intercooler and their matching 3-inch catless downpipe. This thing is extremely good at what it does. The intake air temperatures are about the same as ambient, even on a full pull. I definitely recommend this intercooler here. So this is the stock little air inlet that does pretty much nothing. It's held on by just a push tab on either side. Remove that, and then we'll put this in its place. Make sure it snaps in right. 2 nuts on the back, and then we'll put it all back together.
So we've got the bumper on. We're not going to reveal it yet, but headlights still need to go in, both sides. But we've got this back on. The hood latch thingy's back.
Now we should put the 5 bolts across here back on. Headlights in, a couple bolts on the bottom, and then put the fender wells back in, and it should be good to go.
All right, we'll check back in whenever we do all that, and we'll show you the final result.
All right, so the ram air intake's in there. Well, we take it for a drive. It was a fairly easy install. I mean, all you have to do, the only hard part is taking the bumper off. But to actually get the intake in there was fairly easy. All right, add another sticker to the lineup here. Should we go this side here? Yeah, I think right there.